So let's talk about the eye. High eyes, unless high eyes who are living alone are really having a hard time right now. Why? Because we need conversation and we need people. High eyes are friendly and enthusiastic. So what's causing them stress? It's this being alone or feeling alone. Sometimes even if you live with people, you can feel very alone, and that's really stressful for high eyes. Having to bottom line their thoughts or their actions or their conversations. What does this mean? Like having to be short and concise. High eyes do not do short or concise very well. Also, having hard deadlines can really cause a lot of stress for high eyes. We like lots of freedom. So how do we behave? As much as high eyes can already talk a lot, put us under stress, we talk even more and oftentimes faster. It becomes this very almost frantic thing that happens, like we just like keep going and explaining. And the more stress, the faster and the more words are coming out of our mouths. We can get a lot more impulsive, and we start thinking even less before we start speaking. And being the enthusiastic, friendly people that we are, we can really mask our sadness. And so under that stress, it also means our friends might not realize how much we might actually need a conversation. So how can we relieve stress for high eyes? Well, find some time to interact with other people. Doing these workshops every Tuesday, Thursday, and coming up on Wednesday. So if you need more time, sign up for a second round. Another thing that happens is now that most of us have shifted to being more at home and working from home, our interaction with others is a lot less. And so we can take for granted that it used to be when we walked down the hall to go to the refrigerator or get a different cup of coffee, right? We were encountering people along the way. And so we might need to actually take more breaks when we're working from home than we thought we were taking when we were working in the office. Also, anything that you can do to provide them with enthusiastic feedback about ideas they have or things that are going on, they need a little more enthusiasm. And let's just have a fun experience, a fun conversation. What can we do to, I guess, bring back the fun? Even in these times where it doesn't feel like there's a lot of fun, we could really use it. Get creative. Any other ideas from anyone out there? Like what's causing you high eyes some stress, or what's even relieving some of that stress? Yeah, I'm with you, Jim, on the getting a hug. I think we're got to keep that one isolated to our homes at the current moment. And I think I'm probably giving my dogs even more affection than they used to get. Oh, I like that idea, Shireen, music. You know, I have a couple different playlists and I can totally relate to that one too. It's one of those things when I need a good pick-me-up, I definitely turn on very specific music. Then when I'm trying to like be focused and work, that's not my pick-me-up music. Awesome, thank you.